This video, we're gonna show you how to embroider lazy daisy stitch. So for this video, you're gonna need a ball of yarn. Could be worsted weight or thinner than worsted weight. We're using worsted weight yarn, our dream yarn. And you're gonna need a pair of scissors and tapestry needle. So this stitch is called Lazy Daisy, I believe. So first you put the thread like this. It's very easy. So basically we're making this flower here. So first you position your yarn anywhere you want. You pull it through and leave some, and you can knot if you want, and you can weave in later. So you come out and then you insert your needle at the same or right next to it. And then you take the needle out straight up, and you hold, pull gently, and then you're gonna insert your needle here, right above. So now you made one pattern, and then you go next, same thing. Insert the needle, you pull it out, and then you go either same or right next to it and straight up. So if you go further, you're gonna make a bigger flower. If you go shorter, you're gonna make a smaller flower. Make like this. And then you go above. There is a loop here. You go above and you make one pattern. So you make 4 or 5, depends on the flower. So you can make a 4 pattern or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's up to your design. So I will make. If you want a 4, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can space out, depends on your design. So if you want to do 5, you can do 5. Straight up and pull. You can hold the thing here. So this, and so basically same. And you're gonna make 5 of the flower patterns here. Now you have enough space to make one more pattern here. Straight up. Even if it's not even, it's all very cute. It has handmade. But see, I made a crooked flower, but it's still very cute. Oh. Now you go and you kind of weave in, or knot it, or weave in, or felt it. Make sure it's fastened, and I think that's enough. And then cut. And depends on your design, you can also make like this French knot here. I'm gonna show you how to make the French knot. I'm gonna use a contrast color. Same. You're gonna pull it in the middle of the flowers. Pull it through like this. leave some here, or you knot it. And then you place your needle here like this, and you wrap around a couple of times. And when you wrap, make sure it's not too tight. It's like loosely wrap twice, but not too loose. And hold the loops, you just wrap around and pull gently. Then you have a knot, you put the needle downward. Voila, now you have French knot here. So same way you did, you just make it secure here. If you have a felting needle, use the felting needle, but otherwise, then now you can organize this mess later. Now you have a very pretty flower, crooked.